ki khubor ka bate CTV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Kinong rep hakatain maulungkung ban budai kashnong gabadon hatem ribhoy haga khat santarik unai lor arajar arpulai. Kilayo jing hikai kabapaka kumno ban yadayo kuba naga jingsha hiartma hagi knyang gibalawan ra ya ka jingdo nong kabakraw hadu kata ya kinong rep. Haga bayadai bat kani ka Central Integrated Pest Management Center Shillong rengkat ka jingetrailang bat ka Agricultural Technology Management Agency lembat ka CNRD block umsning kila ajing hikai siya kinong rep kibawan na gisnong baper haga snong maulungkung. Haga ni kasngi ki Rio Shampang na ka Central Integrated Pest Management Center Shillong bakantup ya u Gokul Ram, u Dr. Devaraja KP, ka Aroti Hazarika, u Tenzing Wangden, u ba Mighty Star Lingdo kilalong ginong ajing keren ban pensyai siya kipait ba ya kilat kilenti kumno ban yada na ka jingsha bam kenyang jong ukuba kabakta ya kinong rep.
This is the seeds when you are taken to go for the planting. You don't know how much it is infected, how much it is dark, how much it is problematic. Now what I am going to do? Now I am going to add the seeds to down. So you now see how many are infected. Thoroughly, allow all the seeds to be. After adding, we have to mix thoroughly to give opportunity to all the seeds get settled down to get elevated. Now you remove the supernated seed. Whatever the seeds. Now you can see the difference between the both seeds. We thought this one is a good seed for sowing, but we found that this much seeds are diseased. They are having disease, insect damage. Everything will be there in these seeds. These are the two seeds. We collected some seeds which got settled. You can feel the weight of the seeds. Just you see it whether they all grains are good or not. And this one. So here we can say that we have segregated almost 96 to 99% of the good seeds and bad seeds separate. Even the seeds have 2% damage to 90% damage. These seeds will germinate, it will look like a plant, but it won't do properly.
Te ngidon niam ta snang malungkung bahab ko ka blokom sning te agini sngi net sngi kong bagini scientist mo ba idon lang rekan niam ta ba train ta jing ha gin rap po CIPMC ka Central Integrated Pest Management Center badan po se po shlong te gini sngi hasini kong ba kila lengkat bagini ki field functionaries ka de na river district po sning kila yawan hani snong man survey gini snong abiate bagini ka Integrated Pest Management mo tal banong ba kuno ban yada ni jingkhom kampam ba ta lagi lat ba ki lat oke tham da penjular ya ki mariam tigla wan le survey ni shong sinikom ki lalap ki layo ki jingtep ba banyak ma gade berkuba jing penjular gini ki yang uba te kila ya dan biji keren hapring isa scientist barki director na department of agriculture tunjur district officer te ila perlang ini ga program ini ga orientation training program ini ki norab ni akaba norab ni step ga ini norab ki ro kilong kila tristom manidon na step ta jimuto jumki Kila ile ikan ja exercise ro ba kini nomor kini scientist kipa untuk ke tip banyak suana naki ka kacing ke bagi siam bede baru ba ke ba ki jengjular mo tak ha bede ba ki yang ke Jepang te ada betul pada kila ilam ni sport kontor ba ki nomor kunjur ki nomor kila lain ban kem ni kita yang di Jepang dan yo itu ke sampel kila iwanra ani po hol ro ban analyze kini mo ke ban tip ke yang bagi yo ba ham bon ba ni apa kantor ni senang ni nalor betul ni scientist dekat ga jing tanang ki atma ni ki ai ro ya ki nomor ya kata IPM integrated pest management ba amdade ba ki penselur ka dawai ndai ki bon ki lat ba kumbang ki ba bom penjular ya mariang kila ai ki kai nomor mentar kedang isno kedang ko ba kila ai kai nomor bon ki yang mo ba kila syam ni yang seng yang samtlio untuk ta kipun kijat kiba ki ai kai ni kunu ban yada mde ban pendu jat mde ban yada ini yang ban penjular ini ki jingthum te mata ro long agjo okor ngin yang atmari bhoir ngile ini ka promise distraction ba ki nomrap hi ki interact mun jong no ba ki friend ki kili jingkili kili pinya ai bede scientist mo bede no ban yada ini ba tinggalale ini program ro di kalau program ke job ba kermen ro na kaliang jong office isa gunjo na kaliang atma bari ko department of agriculture di olah bang ti program ang deja ke job ba kinong rap kila bon gijung toy mo ba kiba masuk iki bagin persang banyada ni gijung jular ni ki yang Jepang di nakaliang ini atma ro ni kublai mo I serve kiba kila simpia ban ni bakil air ki kinja demonstration dan ki equipment siba ki ai kun ki fermon trap kila ai demonstration tu kun penangkam ki apa kantor ki tentu terder kila ai demonstration ba kunjuro ki manong ba kin persang ru man ai ki tiang taman penangkam ki kantor jong kantor pa ki jaka jong ki te nakaliang jong atma yang sesing ai kublai isa kunjur ya director of department of agriculture bola tha yangi ban simkia ban tanongkat ni scientist kunjur district agriculture officer ko namporo ba ai men sim ni ban sim ban jeri ke senang ban khot ikinong rep kin yo jong to yaki ban jalam yenti kini scientist kuma pitim ma ini rolong ba tin thle ni ke ba wajan jari ki ba kin kren ni ke jingdan rakat jongin ki atma kun sendiri kinong rep ba along sel job ki layo jong to di tempatan kalian tengah di